Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Applying for an estate tax identification number is a crucial step when managing a deceased person's financial affairs. This number, often called an EIN, is like a social security number but for the estate itself. You will need an EIN to open bank accounts for the estate, to file federal and state income tax returns for the estate, to sell property belonging to the estate, or to manage any other assets that require a separate tax identity. Without an EIN, you cannot properly administer the estate. The person responsible for applying for the EIN is typically the executor, administrator, or personal representative appointed by the court. This individual must have the legal authority to act on behalf of the estate. You should apply for the EIN as soon as you have been officially appointed and before you need to conduct any financial transactions for the estate. The fastest and most common way to get an EIN is by applying online through the IRS website. This method typically gives you the number immediately upon completion. To apply online, you will need specific information readily available. First, you need the full legal name of the estate, usually formatted as estate of deceased's name. You will also need the mailing address for the estate. Next, you need the name and social security number of the executor or administrator who is applying. This person is the responsible party. You also need the deceased's date of death. When you visit the IRS website, search for Apply for an EIN online. Click on the link that takes you to the online application tool. You will be guided through a series of questions. When asked about the type of entity, select Estate. You will then enter the necessary details, including the executor's information and the estate's details. Carefully review all the information before submitting the application. Once submitted, your estate EIN will be generated instantly. If for some reason you cannot apply online, you can also apply by fax using Form SS4, Application for Employer Identification Number. Faxing typically takes about 4 business days to process. Alternatively, you can mail Form SS4 to the IRS, but this is the slowest method, often taking several weeks. Applying by phone is generally reserved for international applicants. Remember, only apply for one EIN per estate. Duplicating applications can cause unnecessary delays. The executor must be the one to complete the application process. Keep a copy of your application and the assigned EIN for your records. This number is vital for all future estate administration tasks. Thank you for watching this guide on how to apply for an estate tax identification number. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more essential estate planning and administration tips.